Let's try M&M's now. Ready?
Huh?
M&M.
Oh, ew. Oh, it fucking feels nasty.
Oh my
Don't
god.
hit it so far.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, fucking shit. Nasty shit. Ew. I fucking can't try.
Oh my god.
Ew. Oh, fucking shit. I'm gonna get shit. I suck. It's not failures. You eat that then. Ew.
Boo.
Ugh.
You suck.
I get why now. My failures are right here. I'm fucking stepping on my failures. Oh shit, that was not my mouth. Oh, too far. Fucking shit. It's fucking tiny.
Oh my god. You're terrible.
I suck at this. What the fuck? That was too dirty.
Oh my god.
I fucking can't. What the hell was that all about? Ugh. Too slow. Too fast. Oh shit! You got butter on my hand.
Holy shit, that came out of your mouth. Oh god.
You're too fucking fast. Shit.
It's too good for my YouTube channel.
Shit.
My sister says.
It was close.
Look at that shit. The cat's like,
My
what the
fucking
fuck?
failures.
Okay.
Brooke failing at fucking doing this shit.
I'm not second throwing.
Popcorn's making me sick.
You're making me laugh. You're making me laugh. I'm gonna cry. That's cheating.
Might as well just catch them.
No, that's cheating. I'm gonna throw 6 if you don't stop.
Oh god. Fucking shit. Ew, they're going
You're cleaning this shit
I'm
up.
going to the fucking litter box.
Just catch one at least.
Ew.
Gas! Go
Fucking booze. Ew, I got much popcorn in my hair.
What the
Still
fuck
got
was that?
popcorn.
Oh
can't
my
breathe.
gosh.
Oh my god, this is my failures.
Your gas.
Let's try, bro. Fucking popcorn in my hair. Might as well be greasy now. Holy fucking shit. Fucking rain popcorn. Let's see if we catch it. Ew, I fucking got it out. Ew! I got fucking popcorn stuck in my hair. Ew! Ew!
You're washing your hair now.
I bet my hair looks like fucking stupid.
People must think this is stupid.
Okay, this is messy. You gotta put shit up now.
Boo!
Ew, messy shit.
Boo!
They're gonna eat it all.
Boo!
Okay, good. Show.
Boo! Boo!
Oh my god, no! No!
I can't.
Please stop with the popcorn now. I already stepped on the fucking island. Ew! Fucking shit.
This is a theater now.
Now I fucking eat up the floor now.
Oh shit! Oh, actually, I dare you.
Should I try?
Yeah, you're gonna puke
Ew,
though.
okay.
You're gonna puke.
Ooh, all the hair and shit and dirty shit. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, okay, ready?
Uh huh.
Okay.
Ew.
Like fucking glittery shit. Ew!
You nasty ass.
What's one?
Count them.
Hold on. I tried
2.
Again. I can try them again here.
One.
Play with this, stupid. Ew! Fucking popcorn in my hair.
Ew. Nasty. Picking it up from the bowl. Nasty.
Ew!
Got popcorn all over my freaking thing.
What's all buttery shit? My body, though.
Put music on this shit.
Wow, I almost got 2. Safe to say that shit.
Cheater ass.
You fucking cat. Ew. My fucking ew. What the fuck is this shit? Hey, you took my fucking M&M. You fucking bitch. Go play with it then. You fucking bitch, Gracie. I'm gonna hate you. Like this one then. Just kidding. Stop playing my popcorn. I'm gonna fart on you.
You're so gay. No, I'm kidding. Playing with cats. What video? What should I name this? Brittany, my sister.
Popcorn. Popcorn.
Popcorn challenge.
No.
Make up a new thing.
Popcorn.
You can actually make up new
Brittany
things.
gets rained on by popcorn.
Rained on Brittany.
Popcorn rain.
Oh yeah, popcorn rain. I should name that.
I don't fucking know. It's stupid.
Popcorn rain on Brittany.
Popcorn rain on Brittany. Woo. Okay, I'm fucking done now. I'm fucking gonna clean this shit up. Now my fucking body's all fucking salty and shit. And I fucking. Ugh.
Yeah, I found that.
Eat it. Ew, it's a mess. Okay.
Arrow out.